Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson and I'm super excited to do for you a natural eyebrow tutorial. Hey, not everybody wants the eyebrows looking like Nike logo. Tell me something. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve natural eyebrows. Alright, so there are many ways to achieve your natural eyebrows. It's either you do not apply eye pencil at all or you apply it. Well, today we're going to be doing it in a way that we can apply eye pencil and still have our natural brows. So let's get into it. So I'll be using this air wax for my brow. Well, some people use brow gel or brow tamer. And today I'm going to be using the things that are not regular. So I'm using edge control to, toughen my hair and also make it stay in place before we start to apply our eye pencil. So you want to use your spoolie or your mascara wand and apply it on your brow gel, or just place it on your brow gel to just pick the products, and then I'm going to use it to brush my brows like so. So some people like to put foundation first on their brows and then use powder. So I'm just going to go straight into using powder. So the powder I'm going to be using is my setting powder, and I'm just going to apply it on my brows to set the air wax or edge control. Next, you want to take your pencil. I'm using Eversheen pencil right here. This pencil is very, very affordable. It is really, really cheap. I think one is about 300 naira, and some people even sell it for as much as 500 naira for one. And this is really fantastic. It is quite dark, even though I'm still eventually going to lighten on my brows, but I love this pencil. So you want to come all the way below, right, and draw your brows and then finish up the rest. But most importantly, for you to draw your brows, you want to make sure that you get the measurement right. So the inner corner of your brow should align with this side of your nose. That's the center of your nose, and I'm just going to pull my pencil this way, and as you can see, not all of my hair is starting from the point where it's supposed to start, right? And I'm in the center of my nostrils, so I'm just going to look at where my brow is supposed to start. My brow is supposed to start from somewhere right here and up here as well. So I'm just going to come and then start to draw the lower part of my brow like so. And for me to get the arc right, I want to make sure that on that same spot I align whatever rule that I'm using my pencil with the center of my the black area of my eye. That's my pupil, and like so, wherever this side stops is where my arc is supposed to be. So my arc is supposed to be somewhere here. So for some people it's very easy for you to detect, but not everybody can detect that easily. And also for you to know naturally, the highest point of your brow bone is where your arc is. So this is the highest point of my brow bone where the socket is really popping. So that's where my brow bone is. And then for the outer corner of my eyebrow, I'm going to align this place with where my eyelid stops, right? So wherever the pencil aligns with around my brow is where the brow should end. So as you can see, I'm just going to mark that area, and that's it. So I'm just going to extend my pencil all the way to where it stopped, and then I'm going to come up here to where the arc is and draw it down to meet that one. Okay, all right, so because it is natural brow, you might want to leave out drawing this upper part? Well, for me, I love to draw somewhere around here and leave this place slightly empty. So there you are. I'm cleaning what I did here before. And I'm just going to draw from here down. I already drew anyway, so I'm kind of sweaty in here, so I'm going to try to put in some powder a bit. To just mattify the area so I can draw the pencil. And then I'm going to draw the rest of my brows by just shading inside, air strokes. Do well to sharpen your pencil again when you're about to draw the air strokes right here. Trust me, sharpening pencils can be like you're wasting the pencil, but the truth is that you need your pencil sharp to draw the air strokes. So I'm just going to position my fingers and just go like so. So sharpening helps me to create very thin lines, and as you can see, I'm able to draw my air strokes. So this air strokes helps to create an illusion that I have fuller hair. Alright, so we have drawn our pencil, and the next thing is to make sure that it looks as neat as possible. So I'll be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Coconut 355 for my brows. So I'm also going to be using this concealer by LA Girl. If this is Warm Honey, this is going to help me with the outer corner of my brow, and will just make my brow bone pop the more. So let's get into it. So I'm using my foundation for the inner corner. And I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, so our brow is looking really good, and then I'm going to be using my concealer. Okay, so I'm going to use my foundation on my spoolie and just brush it on my brow, like so. So if you have a brow gel, you can use your brow gel. This will make your brow looking fainted and more natural. So I'm just going to finish my whole face, and you guys are going to see. So I took some foundation to apply on the upper part, like so. Not necessarily, you know, shaping it out, but to just make sure that foundation gets to that area. And I'm just blending it into my forehead. So I finished applying my foundation. As you can see, some of the strokes that I created here is gone. So I'm just going to apply it all over again, just this place. As you can see, my brows appear softer. This is because I was able to apply some foundation, and you can also use brow gel if you want. And this is our natural brow.